Good morning, my dear students. Today we'll study our chapter number 3, that is changes in the transport system. Earlier chapter you've studied the change in lifestyle, housing, clothing, entertainment, schools, what all were the changes that had come now as compared to the time when your grandparents and parents were of your age. Today we'll deal with the change in the transport. In this chapter, we'll study about the changes in the transport that has come and the transport systems that we used earlier, the vehicles that we used earlier, and what are the development that have taken place with the change of time. So let's begin. Here you can see it's a small exercise. What is common to the pictures given alongside? Here are some pictures. You have to find some common thing. What are all these things? These help people to travel. This is a word which is jumbled up. You have to solve and this word will come up, that is travel. So all these things are used to travel from one place to another. Most living things move from one place to another. Most living things, this includes animals also. Birds fly to different places. Fish swim in water. Most land animals use their legs to move from one place to another. That means the living creatures that are here on earth, we travel. We go from one place to another. So let's study further. The early humans walked or used animals to move. Earlier, people used to walk around. Okay, no vehicles were invented before, or they used to use animals to move from one place to another. Later, the invention of the wheel brought about great changes in the way people traveled. With the invention of wheel only, it made a great development how the people move around. Today, almost all modes of transport move on wheels. Now, if you just see around, whichever vehicle you see or the movement is taking place, it is all on wheels, paiya. Let us now learn about the changes that took place in the transportation system. Transportation then and now. Then means pehle and ab. Animals were the earliest means of transport used by human beings. Earlier, animals were used. Animals such as bullocks, horses, mules, donkeys and camels were used to pull carts. Carts एक गाड़ी जो उसको खींचने में animals का help लिया जाता था. However, bullock carts and tonga or horse-driven carriages are still being used in many villages for transporting people and goods from one place to another. People used to use animals to take away the things, to pull carts. They use animals to pull carts. Now also in many villages you will be seeing that horse-driven carriages, buggy and tonga इस टाइप का ना, समथिंग ऑफ दिस टाइप टोंगा इस तरह का भी यूज़ होता है विलेजेस में. People also used waterways such as canals and rivers to move around. Now, besides animals, they used to use waterways also to move around. People made rafts and boats to travel across water. What are rafts? These are rafts. Some big and thick. This wooden pieces were attached with the rope and all. रस्सी से बांधकर उसका बोट टाइप बनाया जाता था. फ्लैट रहता है ये. This means of transport were cheaper and more easily available. Now this was cheap, सस्ता था and easily मिल जाता था ये सब चीज़ें. Those boats and rafts, है ना. So two things earlier were used, that was animals and waterways. Earlier transportation, animals and waterways. Animals like bullocks, horses, mules, donkeys and camels. These animals were used to pull carts. And then waterways, these were cheap and easy. Two types of waterways, boats and rafts. Now we'll study modes of transport. Modes of transport, number 1 we'll be studying is land transport. Okay, land means ज़मीन पर चलने वाले गाड़ियाँ. The different modes of transport can be divided into three. As you must be knowing, land transport, air transport and water transport. Right now we'll deal with land transport. Bicycles, cars, buses, scooters and auto rickshaws are some of the means of transport based on land. ये सब गाड़ियाँ land पर चलती हैं. People use these to travel or transport goods from one place to another. People travel in these vehicles as well as we transfer goods also from one place to another using these vehicles that are based or run on land. Trains are another important and cheap means of transport in India. Trains. You all must have traveled in train. Train is also a land transport. India has a large network of railways which connect different parts of India. Now, if you are in Dhanbad, if you want to go to Mumbai, Delhi, you go by train. So that means this railway network connects almost all parts of India. Trains start and stop at railway station. You don't see if you travel in auto rickshaw, if you are going somewhere and you want to come back to your house, you hire a auto rickshaw and then you are here right next to your door. But trains, they stop at railway station, not to the door next to you. Trains were earlier driven by steam engines. इस type का engine होता था पहले, steam engine. They used to use coal to produce energy. Now they are driven by diesel or electric engines. अब diesel and electric engine. See, electric, बिजली से चलता है. There are two types of trains. Passenger trains that carry people, good trains that carry goods, saman. In many cities, people use local trains or metro trains to travel to and from their places to work. If you see in Mumbai, Delhi, we have metros there. These are big cities, no? Those cities have metros facilities. They travel in train to reach from their destination to their workplace. Look at the picture given alongside. Here is the picture. It is a tram and you see this tram only in Kolkata. This is a tram. Trams are means of public transport that move on metal tracks in the middle of a street. रास्ते बाजार के बीच में से भी tram चलता है. If you have visited Kolkata, you must have seen tracks on the roadsides. You will now find trams only in Kolkata. It's a very nearby place. I'm sure most of you must have gone to Kolkata. So here is transport used on water. We'll deal with this topic later. Till now, land transport. Land transport, bicycles, cars, buses, scooters, auto rickshaws. Then another important means of land transport, trains. We used to have two steam engines and now we have diesel and electric engines. And we have two types of trains, passenger trains that carry people and the second goods train that carry goods, सामान लेकर जाता है. Okay students, kindly go through the chapter and do thorough reading. Thank you.